If you've been pre-approved for a mortgage and you want strategies to lower your monthly payment, then you're in the right place. The first hack to lower your monthly mortgage payment is the most common, and that is to put down a larger amount for your down payment. The more money you put down, the smaller your monthly payment will be. The second hack is to buy down the interest rate. You do this by paying the lender an upfront fee, which is paid at closing. The lender points are known as prepaid points that you pay at closing. So this is a great hack to lower your interest rate, which will lower your monthly payment. Please note, if you are considering this strategy, wait until after the lender gives you their initial rate and then discuss buying down the interest rate, because you may not even have to do this. The third option is house hacking. Maybe you're wondering, what is that? So there's a great book called House Hacking, The Ultimate Guide to Financial Freedom. The link is in my description. And you just do this by just getting roommates. So for example, if you purchase a 3-bedroom townhouse, you get 2 roommates and you live in one room, and your 2 roommates live in the other 2 rooms. So your roommates become your tenants because they are paying you to live there, and this helps you by lowering your monthly payment. And you can even set it up so that the rent covers your monthly payment entirely. And you could set it up so that you're even earning additional money. There are so many different ways to house hack. So the book on house hacking is so good. I'm actually going to read it again. The link is in my description, but you'll definitely need to properly screen the person and ensure that they have the necessary funds. If you're going to do this, I don't recommend you have friends live with you, because what if they don't pay you on time? Your friendship could go south real fast. If any of these strategies interest you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.